Hi everyone, today I am here with the unboxing and try-on of the Hermes Run H t-shirt, which is part of their Spring Summer 2022 collection. Let's get to it. So this is not typical of Hermes, at least men's shirts. It is coming in a nice dust bag here. That's a first for me. All right, here is the shirt. So it is called Run H because of this H motif that is stretched along the side, trying to give it a speed like a running like effect. And that continues through the side and back of the shirt as well. Hermes also sells a matching Run H jogging pants or shorts as well. So Hermes does call this a t-shirt because it is short sleeve, but this is definitely heavier. It is 100% cotton, but unlike their typical t-shirts, which are very light, this is a little bit heavier, so it will keep you warmer. So let me go try this on. All right, here I am with the shirt on. Let me turn around for you. It definitely feels more like a sweatshirt than a t-shirt. Like I was saying earlier, the material does feel thicker and it does have that sweatshirt-like thickness and that coziness to it. It is 100% cotton and it is machine washable. If you've seen my other men's ready to wear, I have mentioned in those other videos that I do, or my wife typically washes them in the laundry gentle cycle, not too much detergent, but we don't we don't use the dryer, we hang them up to dry instead and haven't had any problems. So definitely expect the same with the shirt. I do like the little H piping here as well. I am not really concerned about it coming off or becoming discolored in the wash. What really attracted me to this shirt was that it was a little bit heavier, like a sweatshirt, but also short sleeve. So it's kind of good for those days where you're not sure if you should be wearing a t-shirt or maybe like a hoodie or a sweatshirt. You can kind of get the best of both worlds with a shirt like this. So definitely looking forward to using it this spring, and I'll let you know how it goes. So this Run H t-shirt is in carbon or gray. If you do look at the Hermes website online, it does look a little bit greener, but I assure you in person, this is most certainly gray, and it retails for $600. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment sections below, and I'll see you next time.